Hi, welcome to this video. We're going to guide you through how to find unpopular pictures on Pinterest. Finding unpopular, niche, or rare pictures on Pinterest requires basically a bypassing the heavily curated quote-unquote popular algorithm. Techniques include using highly specific search queries, utilizing niche aesthetic keywords, searching within small boards, and using external search tools to find unindexed images. So for example, use niche and specific keywords. Avoid broad terms. Instead of like using fashion, search for 1970s, right? Obscure band t-shirts or rare archival fashion. You gotta just hit search here. Okay, you can search for rare plus topics. Directly type in combinations like rare aesthetic, okay, or basically rare photo dump or unseen vintage photos in the Pinterest search bar. Okay, and find small dedicated accounts that curate specific, basically obscure content rather than broad aesthetic boards. Okay, look at who they follow and who follows them to find more obscure broads. So for example, let's say at this side, let's say this user Eddie Munson. You're gonna find who follows or who he follows or who she follows, right? You're gonna follow them also. You could also use specific aesthetic tags, like search for subgenres of an aesthetic, such as dark academia. Dark academia archival. Right? Or cyber grunge 2000s or cottage core analog, right? And try in other languages as well, right? Searching for topics in different languages, like searching for French fashion in French, often brings up images not popular in your native language results. Now, reverse image search via Google. If you find a picture that is nearly what you want, use Google Lens or reverse search it. Often, this will lead to obscure blogs or Flickr pages containing the type of less curated imagery you are looking for. And check quote-unquote rare ideal books. Type rare or unseen into the Pinterest search ideas, or ideas search, specifically, as things brings up curated collections of less common images. All right, so few tips: follow the similar pins path, click on obscure photo, then scroll down to the more like this section, right? Like for example, this photo. All right, let me create a photo. All right, this photo. Just scroll a little bit down to find more, right? Similar to this photo. Use specific modifiers. Combine your topic with words like archive, scans, documentary, raw, or unseen, or rare. Utilize visual search tools. Use the visual search tool like magnifying glass on a pen to select specific obscure parts of an image to find similar items. Now, why is it difficult to find unpopular pictures on Pinterest? Pinterest's algorithm is designed to prioritize high engagement images, like popular pictures, which can make finding hidden gems harder, as search results often show similar popular content or even content you have already viewed. So, consider liking this video, subscribe, until next time, see you.